Morning guys, March 30th, 2026. So there I got a call for toilet running. And I've worked for this guy before in the past. Says, you know, could be that the handle's sticking. Could be that the flapper got a little... Sometimes the flapper will get like a little arc on it, you know, from it, you know, sitting in the water, and sometimes it gets a little... You can take the flapper out and take a look at it. See if it's flat. Sometimes it'll bow, you know, and then the thing will leak. Like I said, it could be the handle. Every so often the handle's sticking, you know, when the handle won't go down and leaves the thing running. Could be the fill valve not shutting off. I know it's an older toilet. I have worked on it in the past. But we'll try to figure out what's going on with it. Guy said he lost 40 pounds, so he's all into talking to me about, you know, how he did it and all that stuff, so he's a good guy. He said he lost 40 pounds, ugly fat. I said, what'd you do, cut off your head? He starts laughing. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. Be a helicopter. Be the handle. The chain gets stuck.
Yeah, every once in a great while. Not all the time. Alright, I'll get it.
Could be that flapper, you know. Let's try that.
It's a little tricky. I mean, some people think that it's just easy. That's a little tricky.
It's a whole flapper. Oh yeah, the flapper's shot.
Yeah.
It's all rotted. Let me put another one in there.
Oh. It's fucking winter.
Yeah, it was quite the winter, huh?
Yeah, I gotta call it. Hey, I tried getting a contractor. They don't want to do small jobs.
No? Nobody wants to work.
Last guy I worked for still owes me money.
Who?
Last guy I worked for still owes me money.
Alright, we'll try a new flapper. The only thing, this is one of them Kohler toilets. It's a high setup. Handle don't seem to be bad. Just had one the other day that broke off. Same thing. That don't seem to be sticking.
No, the only thing I can figure out once in a while, the chain would get...
Well, I mean, this thing's all flipping shot.
What, the flapper? I think that's the original.
Looks like your teeth.
Huh?
Looks like your teeth.
Yeah. Hey, I got my teeth, you know. Hey,
Well,
my teeth, I almost died from a toothache.
Oh, really?
They had to take my whole, got all infected.
Oh, yeah, that's bad, huh?
Hey, I had a...
In there, we just set that float the same as the other float was. Try that. Alright, so that's good. We got a little play there. We'll try that. I cleaned it. We'll put a new flapper. We'll try it.
What did you do? Clean the...
I cleaned the base. Because it gets like all muck on there.
Oh, does it?
Gets all muck on there from the old flapper. I cleaned all that. We have changed this in the past, I believe.
I think you did that.
I think I did change that last time I was here.
You did that shut-off valve too.
I think I put a new rubber gasket in the shut-off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember that?
Yep. That was a while ago.
Let that fill up and we'll see how it's filling slow. Maybe that's why this gasket is definitely a problem. Boy, flipping light is kind of, yeah, definitely needed changing, you know. It was, that's the original equipment.
Yeah.
It don't take much to be leaking by, you know. And plus with this thing's filling slowly. It does seem to be filling kind of slow, but could be your water pressure here too. It's not the greatest, right?
I don't know, I never thought about it, to be honest with you. I know it takes a little bit to fill up.
Yeah, it's a big tank, so let's give it a bit and see what happens. Cola. Let's remember to. Should take 90 seconds to fill.
Is that like a camera, like Mission Impossible?
Well, I mean, it's good to make sure everything's fine.
Mission Impossible. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's loaded.
Sometimes these will do a double flush because of the flipping. The way these flappers, you know, do a double. I mean, a double flush don't hurt anything. That's one thing about these toilets. Sometimes they'll.
Oh yeah, it goes down twice.
Yeah, I mean, it's just how it is with them flappers, but.
Sometimes it goes down 3 times.
Yeah, I mean, we're not too concerned about that. We're more concerned about the thing shutting off, right?
Yeah. That's the main thing.
I did put a flapper in there and I set the thing the same as the other one was, but such a big tank.
Excuse me.
Such a big tank. You're better off with a couple of flushes to get some of that shit down, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And I did take that apart and we cleaned it out, we flushed it, so it's just a slow fill.
You think that float looks like...
I put a new one.
Yeah, the floater?
What about it?
It looks a lot... I think that's going to work better. I don't know why. I don't know.
No, I took the old one out and I put the new one in and I set the float the same as that one was. The same height.
Alright. So what do you think why do you think this was hooking up?
Well, it's just the seal's bad. Look at the seal on the bottom.
Oh, so when it goes down, it would probably popped up a little bit.
I have no idea. This one worked, so I left a little play. I left a little play in the chain, so in case the handle gets stuck up, which I don't think's happening. No. I'll put the cover on and we'll check it with the cover. Sometimes it'll stick with the. When this comes up, it'll stick where the cover is.
Right.
But I don't know.
Was the camps up there and shit? You know, I want to get outside, man. Can't do nothing around here. Can't ride dirt bikes or nothing. I don't mind having a dirt bike or something just to putt around on.
Well, you gotta talk your wife into it, I guess. Sounds like to me.
The thing is, though, for the winter time, Steve, you know, up there, I'd have solar panels. Because the electricity is real expensive up there.
You gotta make sure that handle doesn't get stuck, but yeah, give it a double flush, get rid of some of that. That's it, we put a new flapper in. I think that should take care of your issue. Cleaned out the fill valve, put a new flapper in there.
It sounds even stronger now. Hear the water?
Oh, I did clean it. I did clean it.
That's going faster.
I took out that apart and flushed it, made sure it was new. We had changed the washer last time I was here. Yeah, all right. We'll put the new flapper in. Let's let that ride.
All right. All right.
I did the handle a bunch of times. It don't seem to be sticking. So.
No, the handle doesn't stick. It's just the chain got tangled up once in a while.
Maybe. Well, that thing was corroded, right? I mean, we put a new one in it. It was pretty bad.